Hi, I'm Patricia.
I'm Lena.
And I'm Amy, and this is Springfield After Hours.
Welcome to this week's Springfield After Hours, where we discuss what's happening later in the evenings in Springfield, Missouri.
Last week on Thursday, Halloween night, Springfield After Hours went to Shuffle to see our new band partners Throwback Thursday and our last week's After Hours show guest, Sequel Dose, and then we headed over to the Flea for their Halloween party and costume contest.
On Friday, we started our evening out at Gailey's Breakfast Cafe for Springtown Heroes and then headed over to Crazy Hats for their costume contest.
Finally, on Saturday, we went out to Great Escape Beer Works and saw 96 Miles Band. Please check back on our Facebook and Instagram page for all of the fantastic interviews and pictures from this past week and weekend.
If you have an event coming up or a private party, please let us know. We love a good party or event.
You can send us a message on our Instagram or Facebook page. And while you're there, give us a thumbs up.
Oh yeah, invite us. We can come out, go live, and maybe you'll be on the show.
This week on Facebook, you can see the Springfield After Hours show with the Kursk.
What's up next in the show is just a small portion of the events going on in Springfield's After Hours.
For everything going on in Springfield in the After Hours, remember to check out springfieldafterhours.com for our printable list.
Now, we should probably get to this weekend's events.
At 417 Taphouse on Friday, Taphouse Pumpkin Smash at 6 p.m.
Over at the Blue Room Comedy Club on Friday is Nick Griffin at 8:30 p.m. and then again on Saturday at 8 and 10:15.
Over on Meadowmere at Carrie's on Friday, it's Nathan Bryce and the Loaded Dice at 8 o'clock. And on Saturday, it's Plush at 8. On Sunday, it's the Denzel and Jonathan Band starting at 6.
Also going on Sunday at Carrie's Bar, it's Kansas City Chiefs Game Day Party, 12 p.m. to 12 a.m.
Yay, sports ball!
Throw the ball, do the thing.
Over at Georgia Max on Saturday, Smoky Folk Duo at 7.
Back downtown at the Gilloy's Theater on Friday, it's a Whiskey Myers at 8 p.m.
Holdfast Brewing on Friday, Mark Barger at 7 p.m.
At Lindberg's Tavern on Friday, the early show starting at 6:30 p.m., the Domino Kings, and then the late show starting at 10, Snaps for Sinners.
On Saturday at Lindberg's Tavern, the early show starting at 6 p.m., it's Distant Relative 35th Anniversary World Tour final leg, and then the late show starting at 10 p.m., it's the Haymakers with Kicking Jaxie and Casual Cow.
At Moon City Pub on Friday, Kingdom Falls, Smoke Bath, and Sacrifice the Truth at 9. On Saturday, Meg Burns and Saturday Recess at 9.
At Mother's Brewing Company on Friday, Shaun Munday at 6.
Back downtown at Front of House Lounge on Friday, it's Levi Thomas and Desiree Cannon at 9. And on Saturday, it's the Magic Johnson Basset Hound and Space Dingus at 9.
Outland Bar Friday, Krosis with Cavil, Lararium, Lurtz, and Glass Lotus at 7 p.m.
Over at the Outland Ballroom on Saturday, Dietra Magazine's Sci-Fi Runway Show at 9, where you can see our very own Mindy and Dominique. And on Sunday, Wolves at the Gate with My Epic, Comrades, and Empty at 6.
At Pat Nelly Pub on Friday, it's Randall Shreve at 9:30 p.m. And on Saturday, it's Alternate Decades, also at 9:30 p.m.
The Riff Friday, Monsters of Rock 2019 Tribute Edition, Van Halen and AC/DC starts at 8 p.m.
At Ruthie's on C Street on Friday and Saturday, Karaoke with DJ Little Dog at 9.
At Schultz and Dooley's Pub, Friday and Saturday Karaoke contest at 9 p.m.
At Shuffle on Friday, 00 at 8. On Saturday, Chuck Briseno and Chet Ellis at 9. And Sunday, Rockstar Karaoke starting at 7.
Over at Southbound Bar and Grill on Friday, it's Hunter Hathcote Band at 9:30. And on Saturday, it's the Mark Chapman Band at 9.
Springfield Improv Friday double feature, 7:30. And then at 9, it's Pappy Van Winkle Comedy Improv. Saturday, Class Showcase, 6 p.m. And then at 7:30, it's Home Team Comedy Improv.
And at Stepchild Lounge on Friday, we have karaoke with Johnny Cross starting at 9 p.m. And on Saturday at 4 o'clock, it's Smokin' in the Cold with Pete and Dave. And then at 9 o'clock, we have karaoke again, but this time with Todd Beeman.
At Tie and Timber on Friday, you can check out this week's After Hours After Show guest, Studio Live Social Hour The Kursk at 6 o'clock. And Saturday, Adam Stephen Johnston at 7.
Vino Cellars on Friday, Craig Welch at 6 p.m.
Saturday nights are Ladies' Night, party at Zan Boogie and Bubbles, one wristband for all three clubs, free cover for ladies 21 and up.
At Juanita K. Hammond's Hall for the Performing Arts on Saturday, it's Oklahoma in concert starting at 7:30.
At the JQH Arena on Saturday, Chris Young, Raised on Country Tour with special guests the Eli Young Band and Matt Steele at 7:30.
At Oasis Hotel and Convention Center, Ascend Hotel Collection Friday Double Dare 2019 benefiting Great Circle at 6.
Now, let's get to the weekday events. Monday the 11th at Alamo Draft House, this is Spinal Tap, movie party starting at 6:40 p.m.
Circle on the Square Holistic Life Center, Kundalini Yoga with Corey J at 6 p.m.
Namaste.
At 4x4 Brewing Company, Flight Night, half-price flights, and Good in the Hood, Real Men Wear Pink at 4.
Over at the Flea, it's open mic night at 9:30 p.m.
At Georgia Max, Mother's Beer Dinner at 7 p.m.
Over at Great Escapes Beer Works, Thank You Veteran Special at 4.
On Tuesday the 12th at Mud Lounge Coffee and Cocktails, it's poetry and short fiction open mic night starting at 8.
At the Hepcat, Mojo Light at 7.
Over at Ruthie's on C Street, Live Music Tuesdays with musical guest Meg Ruth Burns at 6:30.
At Friends Karaoke Pub, it's Ozarks Writers Night, Springfield's only original music forum starting at 6.
Springfield Brewing Company, The Geography of Beer at 6 p.m.
At Mother's Brewing Company, On Tap Tuesday, starting at 4.
At 417 Taphouse, it's Queen City Taco Tuesday. About time we got our own one, Branson. Starting at 6.
Shuffle has Shuffle Shakedown, aka band practice, starting at 7:30.
At Best of Luck Beer Hall, Shaun Munday at 6.
At Great Escape Beer Works, it's free film screening for the love of craft, starting at 7.
On Wednesday, the 13th, at Stepchild Lounge, karaoke with Todd Beeman at 10 p.m.
At Best of Luck Beer Hall, Tabletop Tutors at 6.
At Springfield Escape Room, it's Escape Room Student Night, $5 off, starting at 6.
Galois Theater, an evening with Billy Corgan at 8 p.m.
At 4x4 Brewing Company, Midweek Brews and Tunes featuring Sidagre at 7.
At Holdfast Brewing, it's VisionCon Trivia starting at 7.
At Gailey's Breakfast Cafe, open mic night at 7.
The Hepcat, the Omnibus Sessions starting at 7.
Gilardi's Ristorante, Argentina Wine Pairing Dinner starting at 6.
At Whiskey Tango, Moonshine Madness sampling starting at 7.
At Cellar and Plate, Chef's Counter at 6:30.
And finally, on Thursday the 13th, at Stepchild Lounge, it's karaoke with Todd Beeman starting at 10.
At Springfield Skateland, 80s themed skate night, 6 p.m.
Dear Jesus.
That sounds so fun.
At Juanita K. Hammond's Hall for the Performing Arts, Jeff Dunham, seriously? At 7.
Dance With Me Swings Springfield Weekly Dance starting at 8:30 p.m.
T-Bar's Sports Bar and Grill Extreme Bar Bingo starting at 7.
At Mix Ultra Lounge, RuPaul's Drag Race UK at 7.
And at Southbound Bar and Grill, it's Adam Lee and Brooke Blanche starting at 8.
At Culture Flock, Holiday Open House in Galway at 5.
Remember what we just listed, and this week's show is only a small part of the tons of events going on in Springfield's After Hours.
If you have events you want us to know about or a venue that you would like us to add to our list, you can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Springfield After Hours.
Or email us at springfieldafterhours@gmail.com.
Also, we would like to give a huge shout out to our band partners Wicked Shimmy and Throwback Thursday for joining us to help continue this great nightlife entertainment information source.
And if you are in a nightlife related business in Springfield, then Springfield After Hours needs your support so we can keep doing what we do best and getting the word out on how great the entertainment and nightlife scene is in Springfield, Missouri.
Bars, live music venues, email us at springfieldafterhours@gmail.com.
And that goes for bands and entertainers also. Team up with Springfield After Hours and let's raise the local nightlife together.
So join us by emailing springfieldafterhours@gmail.com or get a hold of this chick right here.
That's Dominique Gabriella, and she's our Springfield After Hours manager.
She will explain what and how we're raising the nightlife in Springfield and how you can help.
From everyone here at Springfield After Hours, please have a fun and safe night out and weekend in Springfield, Missouri. Bye.